Good morning, student. Yesterday we will see the quality function deployment house. That means 6 points of quality of house example. First, customer requirement. That means what? Second, technical requirements. How? Third, interrelationship between what and house. Fourth, technical correction matrix. Fifth, planning matrix, and last, development of customer requirement. Today we will see the benchmarking. First, competitive of benchmarking. It is the simple comparison of performance against each requirement of customer. We have measured the current performance in our own product against each requirement. Then different steps of benchmarking. First, identify the competitors. Second, carry out reverse engineering of competitor product. Third, finalize common set of customer requirement through benchmarking. Fourth, measure performance of competitiveness product and service against same customer requirement. And last, fifth, rate competitors product against the same. Then priorities of technical requirement. First, qualitative performance, scale up factors, sales point, absolute weight, iterative of quality function deployment. Here we will see the figure of quality function deployment for extended first relation. We found what and house, that means technical requirement. What means customer requirement and how means technical requirement. So we will found the what and house. The house are technical requirement in the second iteration, and the house can be related at what's, that means customer requirement. These are new house. That means second figure we will see the how to convert new house, which will be very close to transfer the actual implementation, that means customer requirement implementation, and this process will be continued, and last process is illustrated. See the figure how to transmit how to what, that means satisfy the customer requirement. Then application of quality function deployment. First, production and manufacturing. Second, maintenance, design course and curriculums, design of performance measures, aerospace, military needs. Then, which industry used quality function deployment and benchmarking? So here we will see the figure of different manufacturing automobile sectors: Nissan, Toyota, Komatsu, Nippon Denso, Honda, Ford. All automobile sector company mostly used quality functional deployment. Then ATT, Bell Lab, Chrysler, HP. Examples of quality function deployment. Then tips of success of quality functional deployment. How to success QFD. A consultant is need to guide through list of first few projects. Then activity should be formal activity, and every member should be take part of fully prepared. Then meeting the regular interval of shortened duration to get the best out of exercise through maintain of focus for customer requirement. Then recording the customer requirement is the key of success. Then new 7 management tools should be applied various stages for better result. Then we don't know the requirement of customers will lead to success. This is the success of quality function deployment. 6 different points of quality function deployment success. Then finally we will see the quality function deployment is a method, not a panacea. Thank you.